Good morning, dear children. This assignment is for class 6 for the subject of general knowledge dated 16th August 2021. Today's lesson is in the continuation of Animal World. In this lesson, we will learn about animals species of Indian states. India, officially the Republic of India, is a country in South Asia. It is made up of 29 states and 7 union territories. All Indian states have their own government and the union territories come under the jurisdiction of the central government. As most of the other countries, India too has a national emblem, the lion, capital of Sarnath. Apart from India's national emblem, each of its states and union territories have their own state seals and symbols, which include state animals, birds, trees, and flowers. State Andhra Pradesh. The animal is blackbuck, bird, rose-ringed parrot. Arunachal Pradesh. Animal is mithun, bird is great hornbill. Assam. Animal one-horned rhinoceros. Bird white-winged wood duck. Bihar. Animal is gaur and the bird is house sparrow. Chhattisgarh. Animal wild water buffalo. Bird Baster Hill Myna. Goa, Indian bison. Bird flame-throat bulbul. Gujarat, Asiatic lion. Great flamingo. Haryana, animal blackbuck and bird is black flancolin. Himachal Pradesh, animal snow leopard. The bird western tragopan. Jharkhand, animal Indian elephant. Bird Asian koel. Karnataka, animal is Indian elephant and bird Indian roller. Kerala, the animal is Indian elephant and the bird is great Indian hornbill. Madhya Pradesh, animal Barasingha and swamp deer. Bird Indian paradise flycatcher. Maharashtra, Indian giant squirrel. Bird is yellow-footed green pigeon. Manipur, Sangai. Bird is Mrs. Holmes pheasant. Meghalaya, animal is clouded leopard and bird hill myna. Mizoram, Himalayan siro is the animal and the bird is Mrs. Holmes present. Nagaland, animal Gael and the bird is Blet's tragopan. Orissa, animal Sambar, bird is Indian roller. Punjab, animal is blackbuck and bird is northern goshawk. Rajasthan, animal is chinkara, bird Great Indian bustard. Sikkim, animal red panda, bird is blood pheasant. Tamil Nadu, animal Nilgiri thar, bird emerald dove. Telangana, spotted deer, bird is Indian roller. Tripura, animal is Paris langur and bird is green imperial pigeon. Uttar Pradesh, animal swamp deer, bird is Saurus crane. Uttarakhand, alpine musk deer is the animal and Himalayan monal is the bird. West Bengal, animal fishing cat, bird white breasted kingfisher. Thank you, children.